Hello, this is Maestro X, and I'm going to go over the Level 1 Academic Word of the Day, alter, for Week 1, Quarter 2. Let's take a look at your flashcard. Alter has two syllables, al-ter, and the emphasis or stress is on the first syllable, al. So we say alter, alter. In Spanish, alterar. We have three definitions, all of them verbs. So let's take a look at each of them individually. The first definition is simply to become different. To become different. Let's look at an example. A chameleon's appearance alters through tiny crystals in its skin. So a chameleon is a type of animal whose appearance can change. It can become different depending on its mood, depending on what is around it. And science has just recently showed that the way it changes its appearance, the way it alters, is through tiny crystals in its skin. Second definition is to make somebody or something different. Okay? So the first one is to become different. The second one is to make somebody or something different. And let's take a look at an example for that one. Your academic word of the day sentence fits this definition, where we have the potion alters the good Dr. Jekyll into the evil Mr. Hyde in the famous novella by Robert Louis Stevenson. This is a very famous story, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. They made it into several movies. And here's Dr. Jekyll, who is a good doctor, but when he drinks this potion, this drink, he becomes evil. A novella is a very, very short novel. So it's the potion that's making him change. So the potion alters. Okay, back to our definitions. And the third one is specific towards clothing. And the definition here is to make changes to a piece of clothing so that it will fit you better. So here you can see a young lady with a shirt and a tailor can alter your clothes to fit you better. So obviously here the shirt looks much better on this woman's body. Tailor is someone who sews, who can make clothes and alter the clothes. You have several familiar words, and this might be slightly different from your flashcard, so you need to make sure you make the changes on your flashcard. All right. The first one is alteration, which is the act of altering something or the change that has taken place. Okay, alteration. So if we talk about what the tailor did to clothes, you can say he made an alteration, or one could say, oh, the alteration of your clothes make you look better. Alterable is the adjective form, which means something that can change is alterable, something that can change. Something that cannot change is unalterable. So you might say that the future is alterable. You can still change the future, but your past is unalterable. You can cross out unalterably. That's an adverb form, but it's so rarely used today. Okay, alterable is here again. Let's not add that one. Whoops. We have unaltered. Something that is changed is altered. Something that is not changed is unaltered. You also have the participle form altering. The tailor was altering the clothes, or the altering tailor made the clothes fit better. Alternate is when something, it's basically a choice, a different choice. So you have something and then you have an alternate is another choice that is different. And alternating is an adjective form that describes something that can change back and forth between two things. Okay, your synonyms, these are verbs: change, to modify, and to tweak. To tweak is to change slightly. And all modify and tweak have the connotation of changing something for the better. Okay, and that is your academic word of the day. If you're in English 1, be sure to write an original sentence and include an illustration in the bottom right corner of your flashcard. Happy studying.